One video don't go viral. A Zambian TV presenter don't demand for his salary. In fact, this one ain't do am on top live show like this. The man just on a sense they talk like this. Now so the man just talk say, he won't collect his salary. That is no day normal. This person when they read news normally. If like I think they read the thing, Nigerian brain can't tell them say, if like say these people they owe me and my wife follow me fights for night. Say she need money. If like now what make this man come listen and say, make him start to dey talk motivational speaking, make him start to dey talk about the whole money. Say people they buy instrumental. Say this TV station they buy instruments and things for the place, but to pay them salary don't turn to wahala. My people, I beg, make una follow me watch this video.
Sports league battles till the end day. Away from the news, ladies and gentlemen. We are human beings. We have to get paid. Unfortunately, on KBN, we haven't been paid. People are getting instruments on KBN. Tapelo Josimata, Sharon, and everybody else haven't been paid, including myself. We have to get paid.
Una dey see as Mr. Man don't frustrate. Life don't tire. He don't think and say, where he wants see money? If he not talk this one, how they want to pay me money? Maybe in picking school fees they there. In wife hair they there. Be something they will won't buy. So as they not give him this money, now what's come make and they talk, now make and voice out. But this kind of behavior where this man do, I know say they unprofessional. But I sure say this man, he go don't get reason. Maybe he don't they complain about this salary since. They no gree pay them. Now he make a come decide say, okay, now for live show, he won't do this one. But as we gather our information, these TV stations, they don't come outside talk, say, this behavior where this man do say, he don't spoil their reputation. And say this man, they see and say, he gets this drunken behavior. Hey! This man now don't fall in our hand and I continue can say, now drunken behavior. Since when this man don't report news, and I know see and say, in they behave like those where they drunk. And on an open eye, in a koro eye, employ drunkard. In fact, they suppose even so and I said because it's when they talk, said he no even relate. He no even reason at all. And I see where corruption they start. Because of say this man voice out, talk say, they never pay them money. He even mentioned names of mention names of people they never pay salary. He mentioned their name. I think say this kind of way the man do, he paid them reach their bone marrow. He overpaid them. I made the con decide say they can't link this man to drunkard. I sure say this man they okay, in they correct. Because I'm not sure say person where they drunk, he go wear suit, wear tie, dress corporate, come sit down for TV saying he won't come they present news. And on a get presenter, I'm not sure say person go just decide saying they enter studio now won't come present. If you know they we are aware about them. The one way can shock me say they can say the person where even shoot the video say na part-time presenter. Even if na part-time presenter, no be on an employer. Because I'm not sure saying I go grant person access inside studio when I don't know the person. So all this money, they just they try hide things. I no go surprise say they want to say the way this man do, it don't lead to say they want arrest. I no go surprise because this company now, this BNK they go want protect their own name self. Because this is the way this man talking, it go be like saying a shame for them. How and I go they buy things? When I get money, and I go buy this one, buy that one. But to pay people where they work for, and I won't no we won't pay them. What thing are they expect? Now what thing they make people they invest? Now what thing make this man come aside? And I sure say this whole thing they don't even plan them. But this one, you know, I know say you know they for the work ethics. I beg. This thing where this man self do, make I no lie. He dey unprofessional. At least you go meet your oga say, oga, I beg, I need money. This money where you don't they owe me since I need them. I don't they owe too much basic. People are they owe you don't too much. Give me my money. At least the man go talk say, okay, I no get to, I get, I go pay you in this so time. This one where you come sit down talk. You know, see as the man talking. Say away from the normal news. Let's go into the man don't mean them. He don't plan and say, in fact, if I no talk this thing today, I no go sleep. He don't already plan this TV station because he don't say they are last so they go second. But at least he know say he go collect him money. He know say he go enter in hand that day as he do down. But I beg, oga, next time no do one like this. This one now, you sign contract, and I sure say for your contract, you know they say you go present news like this, and I sure say for the people self contract, you know they say on a self go delay payment. So I even see this one self as mutual agreement. The man don't already sign it, he don't reason and work before you do. And then I know say hungry man, angry man. I sure say because of say this man no get money, na make am do all this kind thing. Forget saying wear suit. Person dey wear suit wey be say hungry go even kill am. Common garri the person never drink. So maybe this man situation na there him don dey inside. Him don see and say, no way, him don over broke. Him pocket don dry. Enu ti gbe. Na make am come see and say, yes, the only reason wey him go do this thing na make him do am for live show. Maybe if him do am, people sef go gather support and say, abeg go this TV station, make una pay this man this money. I say this one for Zambia. I come say make I bring am come, make una sef using her eye see wetin dey happen inside Zambia. Anything wey una feel about this whole matter, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I go see una for the next video.